In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D logo for your video thumbnail like this. Just for free, without needing any paid tool or computer, you can make this eye-catching 3D logo with just your phone. Open Pixelab, just click on this and add any logo from gallery. Now remove the background color of logo, go to erase color, open this and enable this. It will remove automatically. It's very simple and easy to use. Now go to 3D shape and I will give it 3D shape. Just click on this and enabled it. Select view type. I select oblique. Just set the depth you can set according to your logo. Here you can adjust depth color. Oblique angle. You can change oblique angle according to your logo. I select this at 40 degree, light angle. Here you can adjust light angle. I set this 40, and here is another options like intensity, shadow, and specular hardness. Now click on this. Click on shadow, enabled it and select white color and set blur radius at 25. Click on this. Now finally go to the emboss. Enabled it and set light angle. I set this at 307 degrees. Now select intensity 70 and ambient light 53. Client on this go the final result. Just click on 3 dots and click on export image. Now choose dimensions, choose ultra, and click on save to gallery. Final step remaining to adding this logo in YouTube thumbnail. Now I will go to Canva and show you how to add this logo to the thumbnail. I select this template that I already download from Canva, just add this and adjust. Now select logo and remove logo background. Now go to Magic Studio and click on BG Remover. Now set the logo according to your thumbnail. Finally, you can download this. Click on this, and your thumbnail will be downloaded. If you want more videos like this, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.